Hi, it's Bonnie from Three Birds Renovations, and I'm here with my paint samples, and I'm going to test an exterior colour today.
What are our options?
We're thinking a muted kind of green.
Yeah.
And then with a chalky trim.
Posier?
Posier.
Okay, then waltzing.
Waltzing, yep.
I feel like I've heard of waltzing
We've
before.
tested waltzing before. Viridis.
This is the trims.
Is that Viridis?
Yeah, Viridis, and this is the trims in grand piano. Just remember, you can pick up these Dulux sample pots from your local hardware store, or you can order them online. And just a reminder to make your swatches large, okay? Don't scrimp and make them small. It doesn't help anyone.
I think that this is the winner. I can kind of tell already.
Already?
Well, I know that I want to look at it in the dark. I'm not going to make a decision today. And I think another tip when you're choosing your exterior colour is don't have like 5 or 6 different colours. If you can get it down to 3, that's a really good number. You're not going to get overwhelmed and you'll make a really great decision.
So we've already painted samples undercover, and now we're painting samples out here where it gets loads of sun. Okay,
Let's let it dry.
and then do a second coat.
Yep.
And then look at it in the sun.
Sounds good.
And then look back on the veranda.
and
And then make your decision. So here she is, our finished cottage, and I absolutely love the way the paint colour has come out. We chose Dulux Posier, which is a beautiful grey green, and you'll remember we had to look at it in both the shade and the sun. Here it is finished in the shade. I'm loving it, the depth, but in the sun it's equally gorgeous. So Dulux have a huge range of colours, and they showcase their popular exterior colour schemes on their website, so check it out today.